spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. At 2 p.m. at the Aurora Airport it was sunny. The temperature was 47 degrees. The dew point was 24. And the relative humidity was 40%. The wind was southwest at 36 miles an hour, gusting to 51. The pressure was 29.83 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, it was sunny with a temperature of 51 at Joliet, 49 at Morris, 49 at Peru, 52 at Bloomington, and 51 at Moline. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 46 at DeKalb, 48 at DuPage Airport, 49 at Chicago O'Hare, and 45 at Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Once again, at the Aurora Airport it was 47 under sunny skies.